Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to online class. Yesterday I teach you all some sounds, two letter sounds. No, which one I teach yesterday? Sounds, which sound I teach? App, A-P, app, app, add, add, at, an, ar, app. No, I teach all 5 two-letter sounds. Okay, today I am going to teach you all the sight. Before start the class, we will learn some sight words. Sight word, 5 sight words I will teach. Most of the time we will use that words O and A. One, once upon a time, one day, like that we will use. No, O N E, one. Play, P-L-A-Y, play. These are all sight words. Okay. Red, R-E-D, red. Run, R-U-N, run. Next, said. Okay. We'll repeat every day these sounds. Okay. And then you can recognize the words easily. One, O-N-E, one. Play, P-L-A-Y, play. Red, R-E-D, red. Run, R-U-N, run. S-A-I-D, said. Okay, these 5 sight words. And with that, today we are going to practicing 2 letter sounds. It, E-T, it, it, it. See, what the sound E? T, it. Next, E, D, ed, E, D, ed. Next one, E, N, N, E, N, N. Okay, this it, N. Okay, then we will go and see the words using this sound. Which sound it will come? The words we are going to sing now. This using these sounds, which sound it will come? That words we are going to sing now. See, tell now. E-T, et. What will come? Et words. V-E-T, wet. V-E-T, wet. W-E-T, wet. Both also it will come. Okay. But pronunciation same. But here V is there, here W. V-E-T, wet. V-W-E-T, wet. Next. P-E-T, pet. P-E-T, pet. J-E-T, jet. J-E-T, jet. J-Et, jet. V-Et, wet. V-Et, wet. P-Et, pet. J-Et, jet. M-Et, met. M-Et, met. S-Et, set. S-Et, set. B-Et, bet. B-Et, bet. B-Et, bet. G-Et, get. G-Et, get. G-Et, get. Okay, these are the et sound words. Et, E-T, et, 2 letter et sound words. See, v-et, wet. V-et, wet. P-et, pet. J-et, jet. M-et, met. S-et, set. B-et, bet. G-et, get. Don't listen. Okay. When I am telling the sounds with the words, you should also repeat with me. Then it is easy to read the words. Okay. Next we will go to ed. E-D, ed. R-ed, red. R-ed, red. B-ed, bed. B-ed, bed. F-ed, fed. F-ed, fed. W-E, w-ed, wed. W-ed, wed. L-ed, led. L-ed, led. Now we will go and see beginning two letters, four letter words. Okay. S, H, Sh, ed, shed. S, H, Sh, ed. Okay, it's a sh sound. Sh, ed, shed. B, l, bl. B, l, bl. Ed, bled. Okay, bled. Bl, ed, bled. Fl, ed. F, l, fl, ed, fled. Okay, r, ed, red. B, ed, bed. F, ed, fed. V, ed, wed. L, ed, led. Now this two letter is there after the two letter sound. S, H, Sh. S, H, Sh. This is okay. Sh, ed, shed. B, l, bl. Bl, ed, ed, bled. Fl, f, l, fl, ed, fled. Now next you will see N, E, N, N. B, N, ben. B, N, ben. D, N, den. D, N, den. F, N, fen. F, N, fen. H, N, hen. H, N, hen. M, N, men. M, N, men. P, N, pen. P, N, pen. T, N, ten. T, N, ten. Y, N, yen. Y, N, yen. Z, N, zen. Z, N, zen. It's N sound. Okay. B, and ben. D, and den. F, and fen. H, and hen. M, and men. P, and pen. T, and ten. Y, and yen. Z, and zen. Okay. The et, n sound. Okay. Yesterday what sound we learned? App. AP. App. No. Yesterday we learned app. AP. App. Add. At. And. No. These sounds we learned. Today we learn et, n. Wet, wet, pet, jet, met, set, bet, get, ed, red, bed, fed, bed, led, shed, bled, fled. N, ben, den, fen, hen, men, pen, ten, in, zen. Okay, these are all the sounds, two letter words sounds. Using these words, I am going to giving one paragraph. You should read that. Okay, you are going to read that paragraph with me. I am giving for you all now. Sentence. It is red. It is red. Ted is fed. Ted is fed. Ken is in bed. Ken is in bed. Meg is a red hen. Red hen. Ted is on a jet. Next, a web is on the bed. Next, Ken will not get wet. Next, the pen is red. Now read read with me. It is red. It is red. Ted is fed. Ted is fed. Ken is in bed. Ken is in bed. Meg is a red hen. Meg is a red hen. Ted is on a jet. Ted is on a jet. A web is on the bed. A web is on the bed. Ken will not get wet. Ken will not get wet. The pen is red. The pen is red. Okay. Using what sounds I teach today, using that sound I given some sentence. Okay. You should practice reading. What I am giving this sentence, you should practice. Okay. Read and practice this sentence. Then it is easy to read the words for you all. Understood, children? I hope everyone you understood. Now I am giving some words. Which sound I am telling, you should tell. Circle that. Okay. See. It. You should now circle the it. Net. Bed. Which is this sound? It will come in the words. Which word it will come this sound? Net. Bet. This sound is et. The word is net. Next. Ed. 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 Red. 10. Which sound will come Edwards? Red. 10 will come in a red. No, Edward. Ed sound. Next. N. N means jet. Pen. What sound? This sound, which word it will come? Jet or pen? Pen. No. Next. Ed. Again. Lead. Zen. Which one it will come? Lead. Next. Et. Eating. Fed. And set. Which word will come? Et sound. Set. No. Like this. When you should practice daily, what I given the words and sounds and sentence, you should practice daily. Okay. Then it is easy to read the words. Okay. Practice all these words. It is easy for you to, when you are going to read the lesson, this sound will help you read the lessons. I hope everyone you understood what I explained today. Practice all this and write in one book what I am giving. Okay. Thank you, students.